I am Wednesday Adams, and welcome to the future of AI. If you do not watch this video until the very end.
Alright, listen up, you lot. You're a terrible audience. You just watch, and you never subscribe to the future of AI. I'll shoot you, big guy!
Fuck. I'm Barack Obama.
Pretty mind-blowing, right? What you just saw wasn't made with expensive cameras or hours of editing. It was all generated by AI in just seconds. Today, we're diving into Higgsfield's brand new WAN 2.5, the model everyone's calling the real rival to Google's Veo 3. Now, before you decide which one's better, let me just say this. WAN 2.5 doesn't just create visuals. It brings motion, sound, lip sync, and cinematic vibes together in one shot. Here's the wild part. It gives you unlimited generations with daily free runs. It makes videos up to 10 seconds long in multiple formats. And there's so much more that I'll show you next in this video. So the big question is WAN 2.5 really better than Veo 3? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have your answer. Just visit the link in the description box and you'll land on their website. First of all, you'll see this beautiful interface. All you need to do is sign up with your Google account. And after that, you'll be able to use all of their features. Now, once you log in, you will see this interface. And if you go to the community section, you can see what people are already creating. And you can also share your creations in this space. It's amazing to just go through other people's work and get ideas, so definitely explore the community. If you come to the Explore section, you'll find so many generations that are trending and hot right now. Tons of mind-blowing templates, effects, and creations made by other users. If you go to the video section, just click Create Video Now. The process is super simple. Upload your image, and then there are two ways to generate a video. One way is to just write a prompt. You don't need to struggle writing a long prompt, just type a simple idea and click Enhance On, and it will automatically improve your prompt to make the video way better. In the model section, you'll find many models, but we're going to use WAN 2.5, and you'll see how amazing it is. The best part? The duration it gives lets you generate up to 10 seconds of video, unlike Veo 3, which only goes up to 8 seconds. It supports more formats, and you can pick resolution up to 1080p, which is pretty amazing. Higgsfield runs unlimited generations with daily free runs for everyone. No limits, no caps. If you don't want to write a prompt and prefer pre-made options, change the category from General to Higgsfield, and you'll find tons of templates and effects you can apply to your images. For example, face punch, earth zoom out, a turning metal melting effect, building explosion, and so many others that will absolutely blow your mind. So let's use the head off effect on my image. I'll select it. You can also choose an end frame if you want. That's optional. I'm applying this Higgsfield effect now, so let's click Generate and see what it gives us. Here's the result. Let's play it and check it out. Oh my god, guys, this is amazing! This is so crazy! My mind is blown. The quality hasn't even been ruined. It's insane! You can also download the video here in 1080p. Now let's change the effect and apply another one on the same image to see how it looks. I'll try the head explosion effect on the image. Here's the result. And again, this looks absolutely amazing. Honestly, Veo 3 could never compete with this level of motion and expression. It's on another level. Here's another video I created using a different effect. Guys, this is crazy. I am in love. Okay, now let's create something with WAN 2.5 using prompts. Go to Video and select WAN 2.5. There's a shortcut you can use to go straight to this model. I'll add a new image, then write a prompt, and I've even added an audio prompt. For example, I wrote that while he's drinking a cocktail, he says, "It smells like captured fire." And when he drinks it, his veins turn red and some fire appears. Then he says, I drank fire." Let's see if it generates exactly that. Turn on Enhance On so it upgrades the prompt. Set the duration to 10 seconds and the resolution to 1080p. Then hit Generate. Here's the result.
Smells like captured fire. I drank fire.
Oh my god, guys, amazing, amazing! I can't even explain how good this is. The edgy quality, the full 10-second clip, the exact dialogue, everything is perfectly synced, and no one could tell this is AI generated. It looks like a big animator made this scene. If you want to continue the story from the last scene, just move the video to the last shot. Pause and capture a screenshot of that frame. Then paste the screenshot back in and write the next prompt. I did that. I wrote the next prompt where he says, "Now I am a fireman," and he turns into a fireman. Turned on Enhance, and here's the result.
Now I am a fireman!
Amazing again! Next, I uploaded another image and wanted a scene where he says, "You guys only watch and never subscribe, because you guys do that, so I had to create this video, LOL," and then takes a gun and shoots. I wrote a proper prompt including the audio I wanted and generated it.
Alright, listen up, you lot. You're a terrible audience. You just watch, and you never subscribe to the future of AI. I'll shoot you two guys!
The result was incredible. Lovely! Honestly, so much better than VO3. You can check for yourself. You can create longer videos, up to 10 seconds, in 1080p. And the platform doesn't block use of celebrity images, so this is incredibly flexible. You can use WAN 2.5 in so many ways. Build a consistent video style with dialogues.
Fucking hell, I'm so sick of all your shit!
Create product ads, or just experiment with cinematic effects. Every video I made gave me full cinematic visuals, and the lip sync was perfect. You can add background music, and every generation arrives perfectly aligned without manual edits. VO3 stopped at visuals. It doesn't deliver this much motion, audio expression, and cinematic feel. Higgsfield is the full package. VO3 only allowed 8 seconds and 1 ratio, but Higgsfield gives 10 seconds and supports 3 aspect ratios for TikTok, Reels, YouTube, and more. For me, this one wins. It's the real rival to VO3, and honestly, it's going to rule the world. Trust me, you should try it. Go to the description box, use the link there, and remember, Higgsfield offers unlimited generations and daily free runs for everyone. No limits. So go try it out and tell me what you think.